How to connect Cox Wi-Fi modem. Plug the Cox Wi-Fi modem into a power outlet and switch it on. Connect the coax cable from the wall outlet firmly to the modem. Wait several minutes for the modem lights to turn stable. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the modem to a router or computer. Turn on the router or computer connected to the modem. Make sure all cable connections are tight and secure. Open an internet browser on the connected device. You should be taken automatically to the Cox activation page. Log in using your Cox account username and password. Follow the instructions shown on the screen carefully. Wait for the activation process to finish completely. Test the internet connection to confirm the modem is working properly. Thank you for watching.